Ever feel like you're naturally a morning person or a night owl? That's likely your circadian rhythm at play. Today, we'll break down this internal clock, explaining how it governs your sleep, hormones, and even your mood, and why understanding it is key to feeling your best. Your circadian rhythm is a roughly 24-hour cycle, acting like an internal timekeeper. It's regulated by your suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN, in the brain, which responds to light. Think of it as your body's master clock, synchronizing everything from melatonin release to body temperature. Light exposure, especially sunlight, is the biggest influencer. When light hits your eyes, it signals your SCN to suppress melatonin, keeping you alert. Conversely, darkness triggers melatonin production, preparing you for sleep. Surprisingly, your circadian rhythm isn't exactly 24 hours. It's closer to 24.25 hours, which is why some people experience social jet lag when they shift their sleep schedule on weekends. Coming up, we'll explore how disruptions to this rhythm can impact your health. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, exposing yourself to natural light, and minimizing blue light before bed are all ways to optimize your circadian rhythm. It's about aligning your lifestyle with your body's natural clock. So, understanding your circadian rhythm empowers you to improve sleep, boost energy, and enhance overall well-being. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Science Explained.